Hey car owners, Brian here, your honest mechanic. Today we're tackling a crucial topic that could safeguard both your engine and your wallet, recognizing the symptoms of a clogged radiator. This is key information that every driver should know. The radiator's main purpose is to dissipate heat and keep your engine running at the optimal temperature. A well-functioning radiator prevents your engine from overheating and sustaining damage, thereby extending your vehicle's life. However, radiators can become clogged due to sediment buildup, corrosion, or the presence of foreign particles, which can all impede coolant flow and reduce cooling efficiency. Before we explore the symptoms of a clogged radiator, please press the like button and subscribe. Your support helps me continue to provide valuable content and keep you informed on essential car maintenance tips. Now let's look at the 6 common symptoms of a clogged radiator based on my experience as a mechanic. 1. Engine overheating. The most direct symptom is engine overheating. If your engine is running hotter than usual, it's likely due to a clogged radiator, especially if this mostly happens at stop and go traffic and cools off when driving on the highway. This can lead to severe engine damage, including a blown head gasket, warped cylinder heads, or a cracked engine block, which are costly to repair. 2. High temperature gauge readings. Monitor your dashboard closely. If the temperature gauge quickly moves into the red zone, it could indicate a clogged radiator. This is your vehicle's way of signaling a serious problem. 3. Coolant leaks. A clogged radiator can increase pressure within the cooling system, causing coolant to escape through weak spots. Any sign of coolant on the ground should be addressed immediately to prevent your engine from overheating and damage. 4. Steam from under the hood. Steam emerging from the hood is a clear indicator that your coolant has reached boiling point and is vaporizing. This usually means your engine is overheating. Stop the vehicle and turn off the engine immediately to avoid more severe damage. 5. Sweet smell. If you smell coolant while driving, that's the smell of engine coolant, and if you can smell it, you've got a leak. Most coolants use ethylene glycol, which has a distinctively sweet aroma. If you're smelling it inside the car, you might have a leak in your heater core. Either way, it's not good news. 6. Reduced heat from the heater. Here's a symptom you might notice as the weather gets cooler. If your car heater's about as warm as a penguin's toes, poor coolant circulation might be the culprit. See, your heater works by using the hot coolant from the engine. If that coolant's not circulating properly due to a clogged radiator, you're in for a chilly ride. Now, I know you might be asking, Brian, what should I do if my radiator is clogged? Here's what I recommend. To address the issue, begin with some simple steps. First, ensure the engine is cool, then carefully inspect the radiator for any visible blockages or damage. Check the coolant level and top it up if necessary. Consider using a radiator flush solution or a chemical cleaner to help remove built-up deposits and minor blockages. These products can often be effective in clearing out a partially clogged system. If these initial steps don't solve the problem, it's time to consider more advanced solutions or professional help. You might need to replace the radiator if it is severely blocked. If you're unsure or the problem persists, it's best to take your car to a qualified mechanic. They can perform a pressure test to check for leaks or blockages and provide a thorough diagnosis and repair or replace the radiator if required.